What's good, YouTube? It's your boy E Profit, and I'm back for another video. I'm just out here checking on my girl, thinking about making a few changes to her. So I'm doing me a little walk around, and they out here cutting my grass. They cut this damn grass like twice a week, man. That shit's so irritating. But anyway, I'm gonna make a few changes to the girl, man. I had an original idea before I even had got these Ruchis and before I chose this paint color. So I'm thinking about going back to my original idea. I want to see how the girl looked that way. You know, it's like getting toward the end of the car season anyway, car show season, I should say. So, I mean, she done kind of showed up and showed out enough. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and flip her a little bit and put a different look on her. So, without giving y'all too many details, I'm gonna go ahead and just get right to it. Alrighty, so if some of y'all already done guessed, I done pulled my Ruchis off. Let me do one last spin. Ruchi. But I'm going with a whole new look. So I ain't gonna say what it's gonna be just yet, but I'm gonna bring y'all along for this whole little journey on this process to Kandi's new look. So, come on, man. Let's get to it. So, let's talk for a minute. I'm on my road trip. Finna go pick up some parts for my girl Kandi. Finna do a little makeover. Kandi under construction, if you see in my title, but basically I'm just finna do a little switch up. I just feel like I had an ideal in my mind from the very beginning of what I wanted to do with this build, and I kind of went in a different direction, like more of an extreme direction. You know, y'all see the process of how it turned out. You know, I think my girl looking good out here with that bluish purple color I chose, the Kandi paint, the 24-inch rims, you know, all that wasn't in my original plans, but it just worked out the way it worked out. But I still got this idea kind of dangling around in my head, and I'm the kind of guy that gotta see my ideas through, you know. And it's all about getting content too, man. I'm all about, you know, growing my channel and getting more subscribers, and like I said, just bringing more videos showing this whole process. So make sure y'all stay tuned in. If you ain't already subscribed, man, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now. I got like a 3-part video on the way, Kandi under construction. So y'all make sure y'all stay locked in, baby. All right, so check this out. I'm halfway to my destination, and I'm just out cruising and see some cars over here parked in the parking lot, like a little car meet. So I get to go over here and get some footage, man. I'm in Indiana, somewhere like a half an hour from Chicago. And it's summertime, baby. You can always see some old school classics or something gonna be out cruising, wherever you at. So here we go. Let's go do a quick walk around. How you doing, man?
Hey, good. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. You mind if I walk around and get some video?
Don't mind at all.
That'll work, thanks. 027 cubic inch. What is this? This in a, what Chevrolet is this?
Yeah, 62 Nova.
Nova. Okay. Look at that. Ooh, that's clean. Look at them headers, man. Oh my goodness. Are those custom built?
Yeah.
Wow. That's nice. Just my luck. I'm a huge car show guy, so I'm down here traveling for the moment from Detroit. Happen to see you guys, man. Just happened to work out good for me. Got a nice setup here. Nice. Good clean American muscle right there. And we got the trophies out. How about that? How you doing? Okay. You got the baseball trophies and everything lined up. Yeah.
This one here, me and Michael Jackson. Michael Jordan, man. Me, I work on his car.
Oh yeah. All right, he got his trophies lined up out here.
We hang out together. I play basketball. Here, shit getting deep. Hang on, pull my socks on. Shit getting, and the hell, I used to run. I used to run with that one black guy on TV. He really fast runner. What his name? Yeah, and what they.
Wait, what he just say? Black guy. Yeah, all right, it's time to go. All right, so I'm at my destination now. Finna meet this dude I met on Facebook Marketplace. I think he right here in this white pickup. You know, finna meet dogs. I can get these wheels I've been waiting to get. Oops, I might have just gave it away. I didn't want to say that. But anyway, let's get to it, baby. What's going on, man? You straight phone work? Yeah. You don't mind being on camera, do you? I got a YouTube channel. I record everything I do and shit. So nice to meet you, man. Let me check these boys out. There they go, man. That's what I came to Indiana to get. Light rocks. What's up? There they all are in good condition. Did you find the spacers too? I'll put y'all on hold for 1 second. If I can talk about business. Alright, YouTube, so I'm loaded and I'm headed back home now. Mission accomplished. So y'all see I just went and found me some 22-inch IROCs. So for the record, this was my original plan. Like I wanted to just drop 22-inch IROCs on this car from the very beginning, man. I wanted to keep it plain Jane, kind of simple, you know, but I could not find these rims to save my life, man. Every shop I went to didn't have them. They said it's gonna be on back order. Went online, nobody had them. I couldn't find none used. If you find some used, man, these boys out here taxing. They want more money for them used than they do brand new. You know what I'm saying? So I found me some, man. Got me a little nice deal. Good looking out Facebook Marketplace. You feel me? But and my man's too. I forgot your name, big fella, but dog from Indiana, man. Good looking out, fam. Kept it 100 with me. But stay tuned because this idea I got, man, run a little bit deeper than just throwing these boys straight on my car. I kind of got like a little something I want to try out. I want to do something a little different. Kind of get KANDI a whole little makeover. So y'all stay tuned in, man. This is just part 1 of KANDI under construction. This phase 1. I got more to come, baby. All right, so I'm unloaded now, back home. So I'm gonna give y'all a full view of these 22-inch IROCs I got. Finally got me a set. I've been wanting some of these for so long, and I found me a nice, good used set. I drove all the way to Portage, Indiana, which is like a half an hour from Chicago, and about a 4-hour drive from where I live, just to get these, and it was well worth the drive. These boys are mint. Ain't no road rash, no scratches for real. Got good meat. You know, except for this one tire. I might replace this one tire because the tread don't match, but ain't no big deal. But this right here is my original idea. I've been wanting some IROCs, man, for the longest. I could never find me no wheels. Like, I wanted to actually get me some wheels and then find me a Camaro to put them on. But it just so happened it worked out differently. I found the car first and couldn't find no wheels. But I finally got me a set, so now I'm gonna go ahead and have a little bit of fun. I got this ideal in mind that I didn't want to do to my Ruchis, so I'd rather just do it to these and see how it turns out. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna give my girl a whole little makeover. I'm gonna just change a few things up from how she used to look just to make it kind of work with this look I'm finna get ready to go with. So this is just phase 1. I'm gonna have phase 2 and probably phase 3. So make sure y'all stay locked in and see where I'm finna get ready to go with this. And to be honest, I'm gonna go ahead and probably put these wheels on and see how my girl ride with these, cause I'm used to riding on 24s and I wanna see what the vibe gonna be like on some 22s and with this different little look. So stay tuned in for that. That's gonna be phase 2. So I'm all about bringing y'all this content. I'm finna go ahead and have some fun. Stay locked in. Like I always say, make sure y'all like this video. Leave me a comment, share it, all that YouTube stuff y'all already know. I got some work to do, so let's get to it.